areas of sectors and arc lengths. We need to know a couple of circle formulas first. We need to know the formula for area of a circle, and we need to know the formula for the circumference of a circle. Now the first one is the area of a circle, which means pi times radius squared. And the second one being the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r, which means 2 times pi times r. Also, when we say circumference, we mean the length of the circumference. You could say the perimeter of the circle. So in this video, we're going to be looking at sectors. Now sectors is just a portion of a circle. So here we've got a sector. It's like a pizza slice of the circle, a fraction of it. So when we're doing the area or circumference of this sector, you need to remember that it's only a fraction of the circle. So you only want a fraction of the formula. You don't want the full formula, as that refers to the whole circle. So basically we'll use the same formula, but we'll times it by the fraction of the circle which we're using. So for example, if it's arc length, we're going to do a fraction times 2 pi r. So in this sector, we need to get the arc length. And the arc length is simply just the curved bit. And notice the curved bit is just a proportion of the whole circumference. And that's why we're going to do a fraction times the length of the circumference. But what fraction do we times it by? So this sector has got 30 degrees and the whole circle would have had 360 degrees. So the fraction we have is 30 over 360. So we're just simply going to do 30 over 360 times 2 pi r. Now our r is 10, so we just fill in the r in as 10. And you simply put that all into your calculator and it should give you an answer. So you can leave your answer as 5 pi over 3. However, if it wants it as a decimal, you can just press the SD button. And you get 5.236 to 4 significant figures. Now note that if the question is asked for the perimeter, you need to add on the extra 2 sides, which are both the radiuses. So you just need to add on 10 twice. 10 plus 10. Now let's look at the area of the sector. So I've just taken the same sector as before, but this time I'm going to work out the area. So we're going to use pi r squared, but remember we're going to times it by a fraction. And that's going to be 30 over 360 again. So let's just go ahead and fill in that formula. And remember the radius is 10. So your answer will be 25 pi over 3 if your question wants your answer in terms of pi. And if it wants it as a decimal, you just press the SD button and you get 26.2 to 1 dp. And there we have it. I hope you found that video useful. Support us by liking, subscribing, and share this with your friends. And if you still got some more questions on anything, drop a post on our forum at examqa.com where you'll find your questions answered.